Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. In today's video, we're diving deep into everything we know so far about the Apple Watch Ultra 3, Apple's highly anticipated next-gen premium smartwatch. If you've been waiting for game-changing innovation in wearable tech, you're going to want to stick around because there are some major updates and exciting rumors that could redefine how we think about smartwatches in 2025 and beyond. Apple's vision for the future, more than just a watch, let's start with the bigger picture. Apple isn't just working on a new wristwatch, it's laying the foundation for a future ecosystem that might move beyond the iPhone. While that may sound ambitious, there's some weight behind the idea. Imagine a wearable AI companion that not only tracks your fitness, but gives you contextual data about places you're visiting, gives you on-the-go directions, and even identifies things around you using Apple Intelligence and visual intelligence technologies. This concept, an AI-powered assistant you wear, isn't entirely new. We've seen attempts from startups like the Humane AI Pin, but Apple's mature ecosystem and existing integration across devices give it a better shot at making this idea a reality. It's part of a vision where wearable AI plays a bigger role, and smartwatches evolve into something far more interactive and independent. No more iPhones in 10 years? One of the biggest bombshells comes from Apple's Eddie Q, who recently suggested that we might not even need iPhones in 10 years. While that may seem far-fetched, it's not without merit. Apple has been investing heavily in AI, and devices like the Apple Vision Pro and now the Apple Watch Ultra series could be central to an iPhone-less future. Whether this is an honest glimpse into Apple's roadmap or a strategic move to appease antitrust regulators, the implications are massive. Could the Apple Watch Ultra 3 be a step in this direction? Possibly. Apple might be setting the stage for a more independent smartwatch experience, a device that's not just an iPhone companion but a powerful tool in its own right. Reality check. Still an iPhone companion for now, while the dream of an iPhone-free wearable future is compelling. Let's get real. Apple isn't about to ditch the iPhone ecosystem, which brings in billions annually. The Apple Watch, especially the Ultra model, remains a premium accessory, tightly integrated with iPhones. What's more likely is that the Ultra 3 will enhance its companion role with powerful new features like advanced AI integration, health sensors, and perhaps even a built-in camera. Not for selfies, but for visual AI processing. Yes, you heard that right. A camera on the Apple Watch Ultra 3. According to sources like Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, there are rumors that the Ultra 3 might include a camera embedded near the crown, not for taking photos, but for AI vision tasks like gesture recognition or environment scanning. That's a bold move and speaks volumes about Apple's direction. Why no Apple Watch Ultra 3 in 2024? At Apple's Glow Time event on September 9, 2024, we got the iPhone 16 and the Apple Watch Series 10. But notably, there was no Ultra 3. Fans were left disappointed with only a new strap and colorway for the Ultra 2. But renowned analyst Ming-Chi Kuo explained that Apple delayed the model to 2025 in order to develop innovative health features that need more time to mature. This delay sets up the Apple Watch Ultra 3 launch for September 2025, likely alongside the iPhone 17 lineup. That's a good thing. It means Apple is taking its time to get this one right, especially if it plans to introduce groundbreaking updates. Expected price. Will Apple increase the cost? Now, let's talk about the price point. The first two Ultra models launched at $799, and while inflation and tech upgrades might tempt Apple to raise the price, most signs suggest it will stick close to that figure. Apple knows it's already targeting a niche premium market, and pricing too aggressively could alienate loyal users. Meanwhile, Samsung's Galaxy Watch Ultra undercuts Apple at $649, offering many of the same outdoor and fitness-focused features. Will that put pressure on Apple? Probably not too much, but it's worth watching. Design changes, going bigger and bolder. One of the biggest rumors swirling around the Ultra 3 is the increase in display size. According to TrendForce, the new model may feature a 2.12-inch screen, a notable jump from the current 1.93-inch display on the Ultra 2. That's about a 10% increase, which is significant for a wristwatch. But how will Apple pull this off without making the watch uncomfortably large? The assumption is that bezel reduction will be key, along with material innovations to reduce weight. Apple might also offer a smaller case size variant, similar to how the Series 10 slimmed down compared to the Series 9. Expect a more refined, sleek look that retains the rugged DNA of the Ultra line. Micro LED display? Maybe not yet. There's also buzz around the potential micro LED display. This next-gen screen tech could bring brighter visuals, better battery efficiency, and thinner displays. But while some sources predicted it for the Ultra 3, others suggest Apple may wait until 2026 to deploy micro LED in its wearables. More realistically, the Ultra 3 will come with an improved L-top OLED display, the same technology found in the Series 10. Expect wider viewing angles and better clarity at a glance. But peak brightness will likely remain around 3000 nits, matching the Ultra 2. Under the hood, S10 chip and faster charging on. The performance side, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to feature the new S10 processor, which introduces a dedicated 4-core neural engine for AI and machine learning tasks. This is a big leap forward in processing capabilities and will likely improve everything from gesture control to on-device Siri performance. Additionally, we're likely to see a larger charging coil on the back of the device, which means faster charging speeds, a welcome upgrade for power users. Health and fitness. Still the core focus. While Apple's futuristic ambitions are fascinating, let's not forget what the Ultra line does best: health and fitness tracking. With the Ultra 3, expect enhancements in heart rate accuracy, VO2 max estimation, temperature monitoring, and possibly blood pressure tracking, a feature long rumored and still under development. We could also see better sleep tracking and recovery metrics, as Apple attempts to rival wearables like Garmin, Whoop, and Fitbit in the endurance and wellness category. Final thoughts: a strategic step toward the future. So what do we make of the Apple Watch Ultra 3? It's shaping up to be more than just a rugged smartwatch. With new AI features, potential camera integration, a larger display, and next-gen health tracking, Apple is slowly but surely turning its wearable lineup into essential tech for the next decade.